Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to back up Notion. For this we're going to use notionbackups.com, and it is automated, so you don't have to manually export your workspace at the end of every day and things like that. And what it offers, guys, is a free trial, right? It is $6 a month for the light plan, and if you want, you can just come here, click on start free trial, and they'll redirect you right here. Choose the plan you want. Okay, enter your email and password. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so once you're done with that, click on create my account. So we can close this for now. And we'll go ahead and click on add workspace. So here it is going to integrate this service with Notion. Okay, it's making a connection. So here we'll need to select the pages that we want to give access to. So I'm okay with giving access to the whole thing. So I'll just select this entirely. Okay, select everything. Or if you want, you can manually go and select whatever you wanted. I'll just allow access to everything. As you can see, it is currently authorizing. And there we go. Now we need to choose the cloud storage where we will store our backup automatically. So they have different options. What I'll do is I'll connect to my Google Drive. Okay, you can choose to connect to OneDrive or anything like that. Here I'll choose my email again, and we need to authorize it to Google Drive. And as you can see right now, we have successfully authorized our Google Drive account. Okay. And if you're wondering where your backup is and when it will start, as you can see right now, we currently don't have any backups, but if I come here to workspaces, okay, and I click on my workspace right here, answer ACP, you'll see the backup is set to every week. If you want, you can change it to day or month for the starter plan, and you can toggle whatever format you would like, okay, and then save it. Make sure you click on save. And when you would like the backups to delete to save your storage space, for me it is never right now. I'll just manually delete that. And here, as you can see, our Google Drive is connected. So this one is toggled on. Sure that is safe. As you can see, it is scheduled. Okay, our first backup will be starting shortly. If you want to start it right now, you can click on backup workspace now, and your backup will be scheduled, okay, for that specific workspace. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.